welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the electrical outlet protector. And guys, before we get into this video, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe right now to my channel before you keep watching. So guys, the reason why I actually bought this is because I am using one outlet in Giselle's bedroom that is fully in her way. It's near her toys, and that is one that I couldn't really hide or put something against it. So that's why I bought this, because I have a feeling Giselle is gonna go and try to unplug everything and put everything in her mouth, and that's something that I'm really scared of. So that's why I bought this, and I'm gonna install it right now. At the same time, I want you guys to watch and see how to install it. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I know it was another short video, but it was just to show you guys how to install it and how convenient it is and how super easy it is to install it. So I'm really happy I did it, because now I feel more at ease when I leave Giselle in the bedroom while I go to the kitchen real quick to get something. At least I know she's not going to go and touch that outlet. So that was it for today's video. Guys, I'm going to link everything down below in my description, so you guys can just click on it if you're interested in purchasing it. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment down below. And guys, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.